Can you solve all these chemical bonding questions? Bonding in diamond is. Nicely done, covalent. Valence electrons are. Clear and correct, outermost electrons. Bonding in oxonium ion? Yes, dative is right. Identify the INF existence 4. Right choice, London forces. What is the chemical name of SO2? Right, sulfur dioxide. Transfer or giving off electrons. Commendable response, ionic bonding. An atom with or charge. Excellent work, ion. Which sample has hydrogen bonding? Logical choice. What is shared in a chemical bond? Electrons, great work. What is the chemical name for Ni3? Outstanding effort, nitrogen triiodide. It occurs between metal atoms only. Precise answer, metallic bonding. Strong hydrogen bonding is present in. Well expressed? Atoms undergo bonding in order to dash. Smart thinking, attain stability. Valence electrons determine in atoms. Well supported, chemical properties. In ionic bonding, metals most likely to. Strong answer, lose electron. Dash orbitals that have the same energy. Bravo, degenerate orbitals. The correct chemical name for water is. Solid response to hydrogen monoxide. What is the chemical formula for water? Well done. The arrow in a chemical reaction means. Good job, yields! What element has the chemical symbol Sin? Great job, Tin. Which type of bonding is found in metals? Perfect choice, metallic bonding. Name the following chemical compound 2,5. Accurate answer, diphosphorus pentoxide, which is not a type of chemical bonding. That's accurate, polar bond. What is the correct chemical name for Bass? That's it, barium sulfide. Which particle is responsible for bonding? Nice work. What part of the atom does bonding involve? Valence electrons is correct. The dash describes the atoms in a compound. Thoughtful answer, chemical formula. In covalent bonding, the electrons are dash. Spot on. It occurs between metal and non-metal atoms. On track, ionic bonding. In which compound is hydrogen bonding found? Correct response, ammonia. A molecular geometry with 3 bonding pairs is? Well done, trigonal planar! The arrow symbol used in a chemical equation. Exactly sign. How many bonding electrons are present in FH3? Excellent reasoning, 6. Metallic bonding would occur between atoms of. Valid point, copper. Which of the following represents a compound? Well-articulated chemical formula. Which of these slows down a chemical reaction? Confident and correct, inhibitor. A chemical whose simplest units are molecules. Very good molecular compound. Which molecule contains 6 bonding electrons? You got it with goods. Calcium carbonate in the snail's shell contains. Well-reasoned, ionic bond. Force that holds together atoms in a substance. Keep it up, chemical bonds. Substance made from 2 or more combined atoms. Right compounds. What is the chemical formula for sodium nitrite? Nana, well done. What is the main type of bonding in water? Commendable response, covalent. A force that holds two atoms together is called a... Correct response, chemical bond. Atoms of dash do not usually form chemical bonds. You got it, Group 18? This is the chemical formula for calcium carbide. Keep it The chemical formula for Brahmin monofluoride is... Very good, Brock. Predict the bond that will form between B and F. Strong answer, covalent bonding. Which compound is not formed by covalent bonding? Clear and correct, nah. Dash are the smallest units of a chemical compound. Confident and correct, molecules. Which of the following will show covalent bonding? Right choice. What is the chemical formula for aluminum sulfate? Well expressed, The particles responsible for chemical bonding are... Nice work, valence electrons. Which type of bonding is expected between S and Cl? Polar covalent. What is the chemical formula for calcium hydroxide? Say 2. Chemical bonding happens between dash of an element. Solid response, atoms. How many types of bonding are mentioned in the text? Good job, too. The following are the types of chemical bond accept. Yes, intermolecular bond is right. What is the chemical formula of potassium carbonate? Well done, as fast. Which type of bonding occurs between nonmetals only? Smart thinking, covalent. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. That's it. Contact Narayan Changder